Hi all. Stack is a linear data structure, and in this module we are going to cover how we organize data so uniquely and how we are going to implement stack using arrays and linked list, and what are the applications and what are the operations. And stack is stores its elements in an ordered manner, and the principle it supply is LIFO, last in first out, and its application mainly comes in function calls. And this is the system stack. What is system stack or call stack? System stack and call stack is used for storing the functions. When a function calls another function, the first function is called the calling function and the second one is called the called function. So the calling function is pushed to the top of the stack, and that stack is called system stack or call stack. Then array representation or stacks. Now we are going to explain about how you are going to implement a stack using an array. In computer memory, stacks are represented as a linear array. A stack has a variable, what is that? Top. Top is always pointing to the top of the stack. So here we are implementing stack as an array. So the top is pointing to the top of the array. The array's index always starts from 0, that you know that, is it? And what is the maximum size of the stack? As you all know, stack is a stat. If the stack is implementing using the data structure array, stack is a static data structure. If the stack is implemented using linked list, then stack is a dynamic data structure. So if we will be using static data structure means array, you have to mention. So in this case, top is equal to max minus 1. Max means the maximum value that can accommodate. That means the maximum size of the array is max. So if the array size is 10 means what is the maximum value it can accommodate? 10. If the maximum size, the size of the array is 10, what is the maximum number of elements it can accommodate? It can accommodate 10 elements. But what is the maximum value of the index? Index is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. What is the reason? The array index starts from 0. So the last value will be 9. So first of all, when you are handling a stack using an array, some variable you have to understand. What is that? One is top, that means top is pointing to the top of the stack. Another variable is max. It is used to store maximum number of elements the stack can hold. Then if top is equal to null means, what is the meaning? Top is equal to null means the stack is empty. If the top is equal to max minus 1 means the stack is full. And what are the operations on the stacks? Mainly 3 operations are there: push, pop and peek. The push one is adding an element to the top of the stack, and pop means deleting an element from the top of the stack. Peek means it is returning the value of element from the top of the stack. The first one is push operation. While doing push operation, what you have to do? You are going to insert a value. First of all, you have to check the space is there or not. If the space is there, then only you can insert an element. So check for overflow. So this is the algorithm. Step 1. If top is equal to max minus 1, print overflow, go to step 4. Okay. If the condition is false, that means there is no overflow. That means, what is the meaning? There is enough element to insert an element. Then the control goes to step 2. First of all, they will be incrementing the top. Top is equal to top plus 1. So this is an example. First, the stack was like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, and top is pointing to 4. That is the top of the stack. If you want to insert an element, the element with the value 6, what you have to do? First of all, increment the top. Top is equal to top plus 1. That means 5. That what we did here. Top is equal to top plus 1. And next step, set stack of top is equal to value. That means stack of top means stack of 5 is equal to 6. And very simple. Is it? So this is the algorithm for to insert an element in the stack. And the next one, pop operation. What is pop? Deleting an element from the stack. If you want to delete, there should be some element. So check for underflow. How to check underflow? Top is equal to null means there is no element. So see the algorithm. If top is equal to null underflow, go to step 4. The condition is false means the step 2, what is that? First keep the value. You are going to delete an element. So you have to keep the value of the topmost element. Value is equal to stack of top. Top is equal to top minus 1. So you are going to delete 5 means you are keeping a variable value is equal to 5. Now top is decrementing from 4 to 3. Now top is pointing here. Okay, this is the stack after deletion. And the last one is peek operation. In the peek operation, it returns the value of topmost element of the stack without deleting it from the stack. It is not deleting, it's only displaying. Check if there is some element. Top is equal to null means stack is empty. Otherwise, return stack of top. What will happen? The 5 value will be returned end. So the algorithms of stack are very simple and easy to understand and easy to study. And the first lab question comes under stack topic is implement stack using an array that I will explain with a code. Okay, thank you.